About a week ago, I got a letter from the NHS inviting me to take part in the Covid-19 antibody test for scientific research purposes. This came in the post yesterday. My welcome letter, instructions on how to do it, a bit about the research study, some additional information, and then the actual testing pack itself. So here we have the testing kit. It appears to be airlocked or air sealed or whatever you want to call it, because it's certainly not easy to move these parts around. There you go, you can see we've got the Covid19 diluent, diluent, is that the word? Anyway, look, I don't know if you can see that. It's the buffer anyway. 2 finger pricker thingamajiggies to draw some blood, and then the test cassette itself. I'm not going to show you how the test actually works. I'm not going to show you me pricking my finger and drawing blood, and I'm not going to show you the results. That's not the purpose of this video. It's purely to make a record of what is being given out at the moment, because this is purely for scientific research, so the government can make some important decisions going forward. It's only 75% accurate, but obviously based on the results they can extrapolate that data out. Okay, so I'm now going to go and wash my hands, and then when I come back I will be able to open this up and I'm going to do the test, but I'm going to be able to show you all these bits of kit in detail, because I don't want to touch it now because I may contaminate it. Even though I washed my hands before starting this video, I'm just being extra careful, because that's basically the instructions. Here we go. Couple of plasters. There's the buffer. Right, let's open this up and have a look. Silica gel, don't need that. If you're having difficulty squirting the blood into here, you can use this pipette. There's the actual test. Now, don't know if you can see that there, but there is supposed to be a blue line. Yes, sir, you can just about see it. There you go, and there's the diluent buffer. I don't know if that's how you pronounce the word, but they just refer it to as a buffer. I can see why. Got 2 little round plasters. 2 little round plasters there for putting on. Yep, we've got the yellow one and the orange one. Hope I got that the right way around, because you're supposed to start with the yellow one, and if that doesn't work, try the orange one. There are 8 different steps that I need to take to conduct this test, and they're all detailed in this booklet here. Let's take a quick look. Okay, this is just telling you about the test kit. There's a video that you can watch if you want. There's some quick do's and don'ts. Don't let children or pets touch it. Do not eat or swallow any part of the kit. Well, that goes without saying. Do not take any action as a result of the test, because this is purely for research purposes only. So here we are with step 1. Basically, wash your hands with warm water and soap, dry them with a clean towel that nobody else has used, and then open up the packaging, remove the alcohol wipe, the 2 lancets, the testing stick, a buffer liquid, get your mobile phone ready with a 10-minute timer on it, and there is a pipette just in case you need it to remove the blood from your finger and drop it into the testing stick. There we go, step number 2. You got to start off with the yellow lancet. If that doesn't draw any blood, go with the other one. I'm guessing the other one has a slightly deeper needle. Yep, so basically use the lancet to draw some blood. Step 3, squeeze your finger from the base. Move it upwards like that after you've pricked your finger, and that will draw enough blood which you can then move on to step 4 and pop it in the section marked S. Step 5, put some of the buffer liquid in the bottom where it says B. the liquid will then soak up through the test, gather your blood, and then give you results here. The blue line should turn red, and if you get a line on the G or the M, it's probable that you've had it. Step 6 is you wait 10 minutes for the test to work, certainly no longer than 15. And then step number 7, you need to take a photo, place it here and take a photo, so that way all of the results that the people are going to be looking at are in the same format. Then number 8, there is a questionnaire to fill in, where you then also upload the photo, and that's it. Job done.